So do it right now.
Yes.
1 second. Yes, I'm able to see your screen.
Okay.
What is your doubt, Bhagyashree, first?
Yeah. Yes, Anusha, I created one project like in NOP Commerce only. I use RTP, but when I tried to this like run the script, I added test configuration also here.
Okay.
Added like browser, Chrome browser, but when I try to execute now, it is running in the default browser. I just
Okay. See, first libraries, we don't have any TCP configuration for library. Are you able to see? In the left pane, select library here.
this one, no? Okay.
So do we have any TCP folder here?
No.
No. So the TCP, in reusable block, we just add the number of test steps. That's it. Okay. So if you are running the script, probably it may take a default browser only. If you are running reusable blocks, you can run within the test case. The test case level, it take TCP.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
test case level here
No,
I have
that is a
updated.
test case root folder, right? So drag and drop that reusable block to your test case. So which reusable block you are working? Test case means NP commerce using RTB,
These one.
something you created,
Okay,
right?
okay, okay,
Where
okay.
you can
Understood,
drag and drop
understood.
here and run here.
Okay, okay,
Then
okay.
it take the
If
Chrome browser.
okay, here suppose we have directly we need to run, then only it will be take like default browser only.
Yes. So because
Understood.
the RTBs, it is holding only the number of test steps only.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, we just add a number of test steps inside the test case, correct?
Test case, and then only we can select the browser which we want.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay. Yeah, understood. Yeah.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's
what
it.
about the creation of experience, Bhagyashree? So are you able to create these RTBs, number of
Yes.
test steps, RTB to RTB, drag and drop, everything is clear
Yeah, that one I am able to do. Yeah.
without
But
any
whatever
issues?
you shared, no, Anusha, latest one, like Parabank, that one test case, that one I started, but it's not completed. Like I'm unable to complete that one, but I started today. I will complete.
Working on Parabank test cases, right?
Yeah, yes.
So I wonder, as I said, I updated some test cases over here. So one second.
Yeah.
I'm just checking the assignment sheet. Am I updated that Parabank test cases or not?
Yeah, you have updated.
It's updated, right?
Yeah,
So team, if you
yesterday.
have any free time, just do work on these test cases. You can see the lot of reusabilities here as well. Okay.
Yes, yes.
The open URL navigation to the admin page, administration page, the same things is clear. Any other questions, Bhagyashree?
Sure.
So till now, everything is clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anusha.
So what about others, team? Shivali, Kumari, yeah.
Anusha, actually, it's not accepting the valid credentials. Application is not accepting valid credentials, even though we registered, right? It's not accepting the valid credentials after that.
After registration, huh?
Yes, yes, correct. Once we logged out, right, then we could not able to log in with these credentials.
The same credentials.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then you can continue with only registration credentials only.
Okay, okay, sure, sure.
Because that is only a trial application, no?
Mm-hmm.
Probably we have some issues on that.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to plan, I'm just planning to create some test cases on dynamic web applications like Amazon, some
Okay.
banking application, SAP Fiori. Still, I'm working on that. So
Okay.
probably, I think this week I'm not able to finish. Probably next weekend, I'll try to finish those test cases. Okay.
Okay, Anusha. In that, right, second test case and fourth test case is a little bit problem. Like it's application issue. Second and the fourth test case. Remaining and all is not a problem. I think we can able to do it.
Okay. Okay. I think so. Let me open that. So team, did you get some confidence here? Like so far you are able to automate in real time as well, right? Without any dependency. Okay. So probably you all are having issue with only a second test case, like verify
Second
login method.
and the fourth one also. Fourth one.
What is the issue with the fourth one?
For if you read the fifth one, right?
Fourth one, forgot login information.
Mm,
Anyway, it gives some invalid credentials. Now you can validate that. Verify user details. Okay, instead of
okay.
verification, you can ignore this step. Up to here, we can
Mhm.
automate, right?
Yes, yes, we can able to automate. Yeah,
So if we verify user details means if it is not available, then what we have to do? We have to raise a bug to the developer,
correct.
right?
Yeah,
Because these are not built as per the requirement. So just raise a bug to the developer because the user credentials are not visible here.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So up to here, you can automate. If issue is there, and it's not like that
Al-
we cannot automate, right? Up to that particular test step, you can automate. These things you can leave it
Yes, yes.
blank, okay? No?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
particular
Because the
step.
fourth and yeah, fourth and fifth almost similar, but fifth one we are giving invalid. So invalid means just we have given user
Exactly.
ID and password we left blank. Then yeah,
And one more thing. So we have some reusability on these two test cases, right?
yes,
These
yes,
two. So can we create some RTB for this?
yes.
Yes, we can. So team, if you're automating these applications, okay, these scenarios, definitely we have a lot of reusability. If you recognize something is reusing, make sure to create RTBs. Okay, now clear?
Yes, Anushka, clear.
So I just added some valid scenarios, invalid scenarios, verification of some administrator related stuff. I just added something. I just plan to add few more things also here. Let me add if I have a time today or tomorrow.
Okay, Anushka.
So otherwise, is anyone came from completely non-IT background who don't know manual testing? Is anyone there here? Ram. Ram, do you know manual testing? You don't know, right? Just speak. Mm.
Just theoretically some knowledge, Anush.
You just have theoretically some knowledge. Do one thing, Ram. Okay.
Okay.
You already have some edit access to Parabank, right? Just
Anushka,
form
so,
some test
Anushka, your
cases here.
voice, Anushka, your voice is sometimes breaking actually.
Second. Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can able to hear it, but it's a very low voice.
I just changed the device. Okay, don't worry. Probably you may not able to find same issue. Hmm?
Okay.
So what Ram? What I'll suggest you is DET Ram. Okay. So you don't have any manual experience, right? Basically, identify the one scenario. Try to enter all the manual test steps here. Just create some manual test case. I'll do the review. Later on, if any changes is required, I'll confirm back to you. You can update accordingly. If you have a time. Hmm? If you have time, do this activity.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So if you do like this, you'll get some hands-on experience on manual testing as well. Okay, na? It's very simple, not much. Okay. Simply go to Parabank application, just form one scenario here. Right now, I just added scenarios which is related to admin page only. So this admin page. If you come back to here, everyone able to see some admin page here, right? If you click here, I just added some scenarios for administration page. Database initialize, cleanup, database initialized, services are running, click on shutdown. So I just added each scenario. I'll split all these test cases. Almost I formed 10 to 15 test cases here itself only. Okay. What you can do, just do login with your credentials. Like otherwise you can do a registration. And once you do the registration, just go with the, let me do some dummy data credentials. I don't know exactly. 4 ones I'm just giving. Confirm. Password, confirm password. Okay. Okay. So once you've done the registration, here you can see a lot of scenarios. Are you able to see account services page? Account services page.
Yes,
If you
Anush.
go to account services page, create some test cases for open new account. Click on open new account. So here you are able to see some drop down. Create one test case for what type of account would you like to open. Checking account, one is checking account, another one is savings account. Okay. So the minimum of here $100 must be deposited at the time of new account creation. So once you credited some amount here, just click on open new account. Once you click on that, what is happened? Account is open. Congratulations. Your account is now open. What is your account name? What is account number here, team? 13677.
777.
Okay. Initially create two test case. One is the account type is checking, another account type is savings. Clear up to here?
Yes.
And capture this account number into buffers. Okay now.
Okay.
Later on, go to account overview. Here you can see the number of accounts. Are you able to see? This is the table structure, right? Right now, ignore this table structure. So once we discuss table concept, then you can rework on these scenarios again. Okay now. But create one test case, like click on account number. Once you click on account number, what is happened? Account details are displayed or not? What is the activity period? What is the type? And here you can see some information, right? We can form at least 2 to 3 test cases on each section level. Transfer fund, bill payment, find transactions, update info, request loan. We can see the number of test cases we can form here. Okay, now. If possible, Ram, you can work on this. Otherwise, I'll also pick some of the areas and I'll form couple of test cases here. Okay.
Okay, Anusha. Thank you.
Yeah. Just to get some hands-on on manual. That's it. Not much. Okay. I don't want to keep burden on you, but if you create your side, you'll learn something at the time of creating a manual test steps. That's it. Okay. So, team, any other questions, guys?
No, Nisha, clear.
So, hope everyone clear right up to here.
Yes, Anusha.
Very good. So, coming back to the next week. So, what are the concepts we discussed this week, team? Any idea? Can we create one MOM for that? MOM?
Yes,
Hmm?
Anusha.
So, this weekly MOM, let me create here. I'll make it as a weekly MOM. Yeah.
So tell me, what are the concepts we discussed this entire week, Monday to Friday?
Handling duplicate elements.
So how to handle
Duplicate elements.
duplicate elements. So here, what are the approaches we learned inside this?
Constraint index and
Constraint and
explicit name.
Constraint index and
Explicit name.
explicit name. Okay. So which mechanism we can use to get the count of duplicate elements?
List of
Explicit name.
result.
Explicit name. And even the scanning mechanism also completely different, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
So we just spent how many days here? I think 2 days.
2 days.
Correct?
Yes.
Then what is the next concept we had a discussion?
Reusable day test block.
RTBs.
That's it?
And business
Reuse.
parameters. Business parameters we use it.
Reusable
Test
test
step block.
step blocks. The first day, what exactly we had a discussion? Overview of RTBs. And along with that, we discussed one more point the first day. What is that? So,
Library.
Control group also.
creation of library.
Combining groups, same attributes like
Control.
links
So
and
the
those.
control groups we
Group
just
control.
discussed, that is the second controls, like control groups, right? How to group the controls. In the library point of view, what are the things we discussed? Creation
We
of
can create
library.
library one time in test case folder. Only one time we
So the
can create
limit,
test case.
how many times we can create library? Only
One time.
One
One
time.
one time.
One time.
Okay. Then what is the next step? Drag and drop libraries are RTBs.
drag and
RTBs,
drop
right?
RTBs.
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 RTBs into
Other RTBs.
RTB.
RTB.
Another RTB.
Okay. We just discussed these things one day. The second day, what I explained to you, same RTB concept only, but here we just implemented new thing. We just drag and dropped RTBs into
Test case.
There are
test case.
test cases.
Okay. Once we drag and drop RTBs into RTB level, what is happened? One reference folder is created, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
So this is also very important thing. Okay. So even if we drag and drop into a test case level also, similarly it create one reference folder, right?
Correct.
Okay. So the next RTB changes. If you change RTB, what is happening?
It will reflect for all the test cases.
If any changes did, that is applicable for
All the steps start.
all
Test case.
test
steps.
cases. So instead of mentioning test cases, we can say RTB reference folders. Because once we drag and drop RTB into a test case, it form it as a reference folder, right? If we did any changes, that will be replicate to RTB reference folder. All test cases RTB reference folders. Okay. So here we have an advantage or disadvantage.
50-50 we have.
We have 50-50. So to overcome this, let us assume I'll give a scenario like, so one of my test case required some additional data, or let's make it like this only, some additional data. If one of your test cases required some additional data, then what happens? So team, the situation is here. We cannot use default data which is there in RTB. I don't want to use the data which is already there in RTB. I just want to pass my required data. Is that possible?
It is possible.
It's possible.
So how we can achieve this one? Yes, it is possible.
By using business parameters.
By using
Business.
business parameters. Okay. So where we can create the business parameters? This is one of the interview question team.
It is
Where
under reusable test block we can able to create.
we can create the business parameters. So if you come across where we can create the business parameters under
RTBs.
RTBs.
RTBs only. So the answer is here team, inside RTB. Inside RTB. So the another question is here. What is the syntax of business parameter? What is the syntax here?
Curly
Open
braces, PL of parameter
Open
value.
curly braces,
PL of
PL
parameter
of parameter name. What is the meaning of parameter PL? This is also one of this cross question. Okay. So here, what is PLD? I think I'm not discussed. What is PL? PL means parameter list. What is that? Parameter
list.
Parameter list.
list. PL means parameter list. Okay. Up to here, clear? I think these points only we discussed in the last week, right? Monday to
Friday.
up to Friday, yesterday. So the next week, see, I just explained the concept. It is not like that you already learn RTBs completely. Okay, you are just understand the concept. But when you people understand this concept in depth, if you have hands-on experience, correct? That is the
Yes.
reason I just form these many test cases for you. You guys work on these things daily basis. Definitely, you will get a complete real-time hands-on here. Okay, na? Do it that. So the next week team will discuss very new concept, and anyway I'll introduce in the Monday onwards. We'll discuss on that concept later. And here one more question team. This is most frequently asked interview question. So what is the difference between business parameter and test configuration parameter? What is the difference team? Do we have any connection here? Do we have any connection for TCPs to test configuration parameter? Hmm? Initially, we don't have any connection, but this
No.
is one of the very mandatory interview question. Okay, what is the difference between business parameters and test configuration parameter? That time, what you can do, you can explain the business parameter functionality and the test configuration parameter functionality. Okay. So where you create the TCPs, where you create the business parameters, what is the syntax of business parameter, what is the syntax of test configuration parameter, and the purpose of creation of the business parameter and purpose of creation of the TCPs. Clear? This is one of the most frequently asked interview question. Okay, now.
Okay.
So I'm
Yes,
not
Anusha.
attaching the files here. Probably I'll do that thing. I'm just discussing the concept, but I missed to attach the documents here. Constraint and explicit name right now uploaded. That concepts we already done, right? Let me
Yes.
upload here RTB document as well. So this is the RTB. You can use just as a reference. If you open this constraint and explicit name, you can see the logic very clearly. Constraint index and explicit name, and what is the problem, how to go with the solution. Okay, everything I just explained, and I just make a note each and everything clearly here. Just go through it. Still, if you have any questions, let me know. Accordingly, I'll update this document. Okay, now this one is holding some conditions as well. I don't think so. This is, I think it's attached entire document. So let me open this RTB. So these documents also you can remind me, okay? If I forget some time, just please remember me, okay? Na? I'm unable to open this document, but I don't know why. I'll check the concepts team. What are the concepts we completed so far? I'll update all the documents here. Go through it, okay? Na? So any other questions team?
Anusha, document we can download it, na?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So right now I just given only for read access only. I think so. Let me update, okay? Na?
We can
Yes.
able to
Accordingly,
download.
you can.
No, Nisha, we can able
Okay.
to
Yes, yes.
download Word document, a PDF document, right? We can able to download.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Okay.
probability.
Anusha, in
Yes,
assignment, in previous assignment,
mm-hmm.
one test case related to one red stripe occurred while dynamically. How to
Yes,
handle
yes.
that one? Could you
Just
explain it
scanning mechanism.
through scanning?
Through scanning only. We do have two approaches, okay? Already I discussed same concept in the morning session, morning doubt session. So the thing is, let me share my screen. If I go back to this assignment sheet, here, this is the one, right? I think test case number 16. Hmm.
Yes.
If you open this particular red strip, okay, here you can see requirement very clearly, understand. If you click on this generate, it will generate the screen width here, okay. Based on this, red strip will appear here, okay. Do one thing, at the time of doing a scanning, scan this generate button, okay. Scan this 34, scan this red strip, understand.
Okay.
So you no need to read this 34, directly you can click on this. Even if it is located in some different location also, still you can able to click on this, okay. Now that is the one mechanism we have. You can go with a scan and you can click on that. That is usually we know. So here, if you see this scenario clearly, click on the button label generate and click on the red strip that appears. Okay. The number below the button inform you how far the right from edge of the screen strip has appeared. Okay. The value is displayed as per the percentage of the screen width. As per the percentage of the screen width. So if we have such a kind of thinking, we can go with one more standard module we have, click on screen under HTML. If you go to standard module, X engines, HTML, there you can find one module like X, click on screen. You can use that. Just give a try, okay? If it is
Okay.
not getting, I'll help you out to get it, okay? Now,
Okay.
just give a try. Hmm? So team, how many of you completed, updated your assignment sheets? Let me see. So you can, I'll create one more sheet for this NOP Parabank and NOP Commerce application. I'll add few more application categories here. Okay. So I'll track each and every test case related information here. Let's see as of now the assignments. Yes, team. It's very good thing everyone is doing a practical sessions. Sheetal, it's done only one test case. I don't know why. What about Shravanti? Is Shravanti is available? No. So most of the people are not joined, I understand, but let me check with them personality. Okay, very good, team. Very good. So most of the people almost they completed their test cases. Thank you so much completing the scenarios. Anything else? Hope everyone clear, right?
Yes. Yes, Anusha. Anusha,
Okay.
in market, for regarding the Tosca, is the like vacancy, how much it is like vacancies good or what exactly?
The packages.
No, vacancies like opening.
Right now it's a year end, right? I can say genuinely we do have very less openings right now. Okay. So I'll share you one link. You can join that group. Okay. Probably every day I'll
Sure.
post some Tosca related vacancies there. So probably can apply to those links. Okay, na?
Sure. Because yeah, I want to switch so that.
Yes, yes. So it's a year end. The December and mid of
Yeah,
January, we do have
yeah.
very less opportunities.
Yes.
By at the time of completing this course, you may have a lot of opportunities in the market. Hmm?
Yes.
So
Anusha,
you don't need to worry,
one,
team. I'll guide you all these
yeah.
things step by step process.
Yeah,
Okay.
just asking, yeah. Anusha, also we have a one tool like playwright in the market.